clever.
You're taking a picture of a squirrel eating and the squirrel's behind you eating your food.
Here he goes.
Look how he uses his hands.
Go back.
He figures out you can pull the thing over and I can get a seed or two while I got it.
Oh, you know what I think he's trying to do is he's trying to shake some seeds out.
Oh, it's getting closer to the tree now.
That's what he wanted to do. He wanted to get the thing swinging so a seed might fall out. Wow. Here we go. I got one.
See?
Always comes down the hard way.
There he goes. Oh my God.
He's hanging on.